Today we learn how to make linear pattern. Just go to this feature and go to linear pattern, click linear pattern and choose distance. This is our distance and spacing and instances. Just click instances, spacing and instances, and you can choose up to surface. And when we will up to surface, suppose our surface will be this, I will click this. If I want to up to surface, just I will click this. Okay, now I will choose this space and instances. This distance will be one hole to another hole 200, and it will be number of instances. I will make it 7 hole in this linearly. Okay, so and we just click feature and face. This feature and face, this is our feature and face, and this is the distance. Now it will make this distantly. Just anything will be as same system. Just programming virtual, it will be by default. Just click OK. Now see, our linear hole is created. Now we will know curve pattern. Just this is our curve pattern. Just we will go to again linear pattern and go to this curve driven pattern. This is our distance. Our distance will be this. This is our distance. This is our curvely distance. So I will choose this line, this curve line. Yeah, this is our curve line. Okay, this direction will be this ties to this, and I will make it number of 54 and it will equal space and distance by default 50, and curve method transform curve and click tangent to curve. Okay, and choose feature and face. Just we will go to here and our feature and face, this cut extrude. Yeah, now see it is automatically converted. And scroll down. If you want to know any line you don't need, just we will go to these instances to skip. Just we will click. Suppose I don't need this, so I will click this on this point. Now see, it will not create. Okay, or any line if you don't need, just we will click. Suppose again I don't need this line, so I will click this. Now it will remove. Just you don't make. Okay, just click OK. Okay, now see, our curve pattern is created. Okay, thank you for watching for this level.